Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Chewy Yema candy. Start by measuring 3 eggs, 1 can condensed milk, 1 cup sugar, and 2 tablespoons butter exactly. Separate yolks into a bowl and whisk them gently until smooth. Use a heavy-bottomed pan and low heat to keep temperature steady. Stir constantly with a silicone spatula to avoid sticking. Cook until mixture thickly coats the spatula and reaches a soft, pliable texture for easy shaping. Heat and patience make Chewy Yema candy succeed, so keep the flame low and the mood relaxed. Stir continuously as the yolk and condensed milk blend, scraping the pan bottom thoroughly. When the mixture thickly coats your spatula and pulls away from the pan, it is time to test a small amount for texture. If it holds shape but remains pliable, transfer to a grease dish to cool before shaping. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a great kitchen helper, with voice control and smart mapping so you can clean while you cook or shape yema, no hands needed. It handles crumbs and sticky spots with ease, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your yema cools enough to handle, grease your hands and portion the mixture into even pieces. Roll into small balls or logs, pressing gently to achieve a smooth surface. If you prefer, press into a pan and cut into squares for uniform pieces. Wrap each candy in wax paper to prevent sticking and store in an airtight container at room temperature to keep them chewy and delicious for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.